Hello and welcome people, I am in Las Vegas for the CES 2018. Now this is a consumer electronics show, but every year the amount of automotive brands that have been participating at this show has been increasing. So I'm here to check them out and see what's new and in store for all of us. Unlike a typical motor show, the CES 2018 is more about futuristic concepts than production-ready cars. And as expected, autonomous driving technologies and alternative propulsion were the key areas of focus, and then some. Nissan, for example, displayed its cutting-edge brain-to-vehicle technology, which uses a specialized headset that interprets the brain signals of the driver of an electric car. And the data is then used to optimize the car's driving dynamics. In short, the technology enables the car to learn the driver's reaction times and behavioral traits, and then fine-tune its own driving systems accordingly to maintain a safe and fun driving experience. Driving around with a headset may look funny, but the technology has potential to shape safer drivers. At the CES, the Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi Alliance also announced plans to start a corporate venture capital fund intended to invest up to $1 million over the next 5 years in startups for developing new mobility technologies towards vehicle electrification, autonomous systems, connectivity, and artificial intelligence. Toyota showcased some innovative plans too. Toyota's CES 2018 exhibit is not only about concept vehicles but also a new mobility platform called the e-Palette. Let's take a look. At the moment, driverless robo-vehicles are considered to be the ultimate goal for autonomous driving technologies. The Toyota e-Palette works in this direction and previews a scalable mobility solution that aims to do everything from ferrying people via taxi and rideshare programs to acting as a mobile office, food truck, medical center, or autonomous cargo delivery vehicle. Toyota says that it has already partnered with the likes of Amazon, Didi, Mazda, Pizza Hut, and Uber to develop this initiative. How it fits into the legal barriers and the geofencing parameters surrounding driverless cars remains to be seen. What you see behind me is the Hyundai Nexo. Now this is a fuel cell electric vehicle, but more importantly, what is important from the Indian standpoint is that it could preview the new design direction that the Tucson will take. Take a closer look. The Kona-inspired form shows the new design direction that Hyundai will set for its upcoming SUVs. It is a major departure from the current design philosophy and could polarize customers. I personally like what I saw at the CES. The Nexo will be the flagship for Hyundai's expanding eco-vehicle portfolio. It also gets new assistance systems like the blind spot view monitor and radar-guided technologies like lane following assist and highway driving assist. Now, the Kia Niro is one of the models that is expected to the Indian market, at least that is what the rumors say. And what you see behind me is the Niro electric vehicle concept that was showcased here at the CES. Take a closer look. The main talking point for the Niro EV is the range, 380 kilometers, which is phenomenal for an urban crossover. Kia also points out that the underpinnings aren't shared with the Hyundai Ioniq. However, with both the car makers rumored to be looking positively at electric vehicles even for the Indian market in the long run, these cars and their technologies are something to watch out for. China has been funding a lot of startups in the automotive world, and the latest to come out of there is this, the Byton Concept. Take a closer look. The Byton Electric SUV wants to change how we spend time in the traffic jams. It integrates level 3 autonomous driving technologies that can take partial responsibility of the driving in such conditions, while you can spend time interacting with your fellow passengers or simply connect to your digital life. A door-to-door infotainment system, which can be controlled using touch, voice, facial or gesture controls, integrates an adaptive software and health monitoring ecosystem called the Byton Life. The SUV has a driving range of up to 520 kilometers and will go on sale by the end of 2018 when it takes on rivals like the Q5, GLC and the X3. Speaking of infotainment systems, Panasonic showcased its cockpit concept of the future. It features an advanced heads-up display, instrumentation that uses a gaming engine for rich graphics and intuitive controls, while the infotainment takes a safe, hands-free approach with gesture-controlled technology. Most of these advancements don't seem too far away from reaching production. Mercedes-Benz used the CES to showcase its new MBUX infotainment system, which is set to debut on the all-new A-Class. The new system uses a 3D interface for a more immersive and intuitive control over the infotainment functions. It also uses high-resolution 3D graphics and new connectivity modules to enhance the user experience and the infotainment functions. For tech geeks, the MBUX uses the nVidia Parker 128 chip, a 4-core CPU and 8GB DDR4 RAM. In fact, with such feature-rich infotainment systems, modules for connected driving, and autonomous technologies going mainstream, the processing power and the intelligence of the onboard computers are seeing major advancement too. Two of the biggest names in this business are nVidia and Intel, and both showcase their developments towards autonomous driving and automotive connectivity at the CES. In fact, thanks to the advancements in artificial intelligence and processing power, the automotive industry hints that fully autonomous cars are only 4 to 5 years away from being road legal. And that, in automotive terms, isn't too distant a future.